Hello everyone out there. Great to see you back online. In this episode clip, we have this number 5376 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5376. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5376 by 2, which equals 2688. So 5376 divided by 2 equals 2688. Dividing 2688 by 2, which equals 1344. So 2688 divided by 2 equals 1344. Dividing 1344 by 2, which equals 672. So 1344 divided by 2 equals 672. Dividing 672 by 2, which equals 336. So 672 divided by 2 equals 336. Dividing 336 by 2, which equals 168. So 336 divided by 2 equals 168. Dividing 168 by 2, which equals 84. So 168 divided by 2 equals 84. Dividing 84 by 2, which equals 42. So 84 divided by 2 equals 42. Dividing 42 by 2, which equals 21. So 42 divided by 2 equals 21. Dividing 21 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 21 by 3, which equals 7. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 7 by 5, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5376 are 2 times 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 3 times 7, which can be written as 2 to the power 8 times 3 times 7. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks.